Why hasn't PKI fixed our security problems? Here are 10 reasons behind the misunderstandings, resistance, and slow adoption of this powerful solution. Reason number 1. PKI implementations usually ignore specifications of a vital component. By definition, PKI cannot exist without private keys, but it has been implemented without specifications and methods for managing and protecting them. Without that, PKI is like a car designed with a body and wheels, but no engine. Is anyone surprised to find out it doesn't work? We've got that part covered by the PEN component of the authenticity infrastructure, which is all about the creation, protection, and management of what used to be called private keys. Reason number 2. PKI terminology can be bizarre. True. The terminology has been carelessly used and badly fuddled. Of all the gobbledygook in information technology, the mangling of the term certificate has been among the worst. We'll straighten you out. Number 3. PKI is brilliant, but too complex for practical deployment. Now wait. Wonderful, life-changing, complex things are all around us. That's what engineers are for. They can bury complexity behind a user-friendly interface, as we are doing with PKI. Number 4. Reliable identities of users necessary for effective PKI have been scarce. Yes, reliable identities have been scarce. But our measurably reliable identities are completely different and are the foundation of the authenticity infrastructure. Reason number 5. Attempts at reliable PKI identity have not adequately protected users' privacy. True. Until now. In the authenticity infrastructure, our measurably reliable identities are a fortress of privacy, while holding bad actors accountable, like the accountable anonymity of license plates on cars. Number 6. PKI has conveyed authenticity without requiring a legitimate source of authenticity. Again, true in the past, but not true anymore. The city of Osmia was founded on March 7, 2005 at the Geneva headquarters of the International Telecommunication Union to serve as a source of worldwide duly constituted public authority in the certification of identities and in the issuance of professional licenses for the practice of code audit, penetration testing, and other professions. Number 7. PKI deployments have tried to replace signatures of people with signatures of objects. That doesn't work. True. It doesn't work and can't work. PKI must be built on identity certificates of human beings, not digital objects. The notion of a network of accountable objects is folly. Reason number 8. The role of encryption in PKI is confusing. People usually think of PKI as all about encryption, but it is first and foremost about authenticity, ensuring that encrypted files and their keys are shared only with the right people. PKI does use encryption as a tool to enable authenticity. The relationship between PKI and authenticity may be unfamiliar or even confusing at first glance, but behind the scenes they work in harmony to keep logins safe, file sending secure, digital signatures available, and people accountable. Number 9. Old assumptions from the 1980s are driving a ship that's hard to turn, or even challenge. Decades after the early internet jocks were competing to invent ways to separate the good guys from the bad guys, information security is still trying to determine the character and intentions of a sender of a stream of bits. But the real solution has been hiding in plain sight. The application of some real-world authenticity concepts to PKI can make it solve big problems. Authenticity works, where security technology has failed us. Reason number 10. PKI, when done right, works too well. Companies have become very comfortable and happy with their easy access to our information. The authenticity infrastructure puts users in control of their own information. The corporate burglars are not happy about losing their long-held entitlement. Let's take a look at how these reasons sort out. We have implementation flaws, perceptions, and establishment pushback. So, what are the solutions? For the implementation flaws, we can migrate to PKI done right. For problems of perception, we can work on education and outreach, like this and other videos. For establishment pushback, we can take the lead in a paradigm shift to a new era of real identity, security, and privacy.